So we've talked about how all successful people use rituals. They use rituals to perform at their best, to stay calm, even in the midst of intense pressure, to be able to create balance in their life. And these rituals are things we call everyday rituals. They're not ceremonial rituals that have these 7 aspects that we've talked about and gone through, but they are rituals that help to make you present, to be able to make sure that you have rest along with activity. And as you saw with Michelle Janicki, the runner, that, you know, dancing is a ritual that she does to get herself up. You know, we've talked about Leighton Barnes, how he ties and unties his shoes when he goes on the playing field. So he gets himself present and in this place where he can perform at his best. There are all kinds of rituals that successful people use. Some of them are kind of crazy, like Simon Cowell. I know you know Simon Cowell, formerly with American Idol, with Britain's Got Talent, with America's Got Talent. Simon, one of his daily rituals is to climb a tree in the morning. Can you believe that? But what it does is it helps him to relax, helps him to get some exercise and have some fun to start his day. So it begins his day on a positive note. Companies use rituals. Bosch Automotive, the very successful German company, uses red and yellow tags at their sales meetings. And if someone doesn't speak up, then they get a yellow tag. And if they don't speak up again during the day, then they get a red tag. They don't get to come back to the meeting because they want to reinforce the fact that everyone's expected to participate. And so what that means is that if you don't participate, you don't belong in the meeting. And what they've said as a result of that very simple ritual is that they have their sales team involved and engaged, and people who would otherwise sit quietly by and not say anything are speaking up and giving their ideas, and as a result they're getting better ideas because those silent people have really good ideas as well, and when they are given the opportunity to share them, they get them out. So here's your chance to think about what are the everyday rituals that you can build into your life. You've created your 3-minute ritual, and the purpose of that really was to begin a project that you're working on, or start your work day, or to set some part of your day that's important to you apart from the rest of your day. But now let's think about what are things that you could do that you could effortlessly incorporate into what you already do. So, for example, before you get out of bed in the morning, to set your intention. What do you want to happen during that day? What do you want to experience during that day? Or while you're taking a shower, this is one of Janet's rituals. You know, she's taking the shower and she uses that time to just think about all the things that she's grateful for. So during this lesson, think about what are the things that you can incorporate into your daily life. Not that you set aside and it's something else to add to your to-do list. No. Something that you can add to things that you're already doing effortlessly and easily, but can help you begin to focus on what really matters to you, to the things that you care about most. So enjoy this. It's fun. And rituals will add that richness, fun, that aspect of celebration and gratitude and openness to your day. So have fun with this.